A driver spent $280 on an AC recharge. The actual problem was a $15 cabin air filter so clogged the system couldn't push air through. A 5-minute swap would have fixed it. Most AC problems aren't expensive, they're misdiagnosed. 15 tricks to make your AC blow ice cold again. And secret number 1 is a 2-minute test that tells you whether you need a $50 fix or a $2,000 replacement. Secret number 15, the recirculation button. Most people misunderstand this button completely. When you hit recirculation, your AC stops pulling in 95°F outside air and starts recooling the already cooled air inside the cabin. The system works less hard, cools faster, and puts less strain on the compressor. Using it correctly can reduce fuel consumption by up to 10%. Use it in city driving and extreme heat. Switch back to fresh air on the highway to prevent humidity buildup and keep air quality clean. Secret number 14. Park smart or use a windshield shade. Your car's interior can hit 118°F when it's only 80 degrees outside in just 40 minutes. When your AC battles that heat, it burns up to 20% more fuel and strains the compressor significantly. An $8 windshield shade reduces interior temperature by as much as 40°F. Park in shade whenever possible. Your AC and your steering wheel will thank you. Secret number 13. Point your vents correctly. Almost everyone does this wrong. Cold air is denser. It sinks naturally. Blasting it at your face means it warms up immediately and hangs there while hot air stays trapped above. Point side vents toward windows, center vents toward the roof. Cold air circulates through the entire cabin before sinking down. The whole car cools faster and more evenly. Free, immediate, makes a real difference on every single drive. Secret number 12. Stop pre-cooling your car. Running your AC at idle for 10 to 15 minutes before driving is inefficient and strains the compressor at the RPM where it's least effective. A better approach, get in, set AC to lowest temperature, roll all the windows down for 15 seconds to push trapped hot air out. Crank the fan to max and start driving. Roll up front windows first, then the rear with a small gap for a few more seconds. Cools faster and uses significantly less fuel than idling in the driveway. Secret number 11. Lysol disinfectant spray. That musty smell when you turn on the AC? That's mold and bacteria growing where moisture collects in dark, damp corners of the system. Remove your cabin air filter, set the fan to the lowest speed, roll down all windows, and spray Lysol directly into the air intake at the base of your windshield. The fan pulls it through the entire system. Detailers charge $150 plus for this exact service. A $4 can does the same job in 3 minutes. And keep watching because the next few secrets deal with the mechanical side of your AC, and they're the ones that prevent the really expensive failures. Secret number 10. Replace your cabin air filter. The filter behind your glove box is probably choking your AC right now. When it's clogged, the system has to push air through all that buildup, killing cooling performance and becoming a breeding ground for mold you're breathing in every drive. Replace every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Hop the glove box, press the side tabs, swap the filter. $15 part, 5 minutes, done. Shops mark this up to $60 to $70 for the exact same job. Secret number 9. Clean your condenser. Your condenser sits behind the grill, collecting every bug, leaf, and piece of road debris. When it's caked with grime, it can't release heat from the refrigerant. The compressor works overtime to compensate, and that overwork kills $1,200 compressors prematurely. I've seen condensers so packed with dead bugs that airflow was practically blocked. The fix takes 10 minutes. Let the car cool down. Hit it with a garden hose at medium pressure and use a soft brush on stubborn buildup. Shops charge $80 to $150 for this. You just did it with a hose and a brush. Secret number 8. Check your coolant level. This catches everyone off guard. Engine coolant has nothing to do with cabin cooling, except when the engine overheats, the computer shuts off the AC compressor to reduce engine load. Low coolant means a hotter engine means no AC. Pop the hood, check the reservoir, top it off with the correct type. 2-minute check that prevents AC shutdowns most people never think to diagnose. Secret number 7. Check your serpentine belt. Your serpentine belt connects the compressor to the engine. If it's cracking, frayed, or slipping, the compressor can't spin correctly and can overheat and fail completely. A new belt costs under $65. A compressor replacement runs $1,200 to $2,000. Inspect for visible cracks or listen for squealing when the AC runs. 5 minutes of checking prevents thousands in damage. Secret number 6. Run your AC year-round. Not running your AC in winter causes real damage over time. The refrigerant contains oil that lubricates internal seals and metal components. When the system sits idle for months, seals dry out, hoses crack, and metal corrodes from inside. Run your AC on full cold for 5 to 10 minutes once a week, even in winter. Skipping this is one of the most common reasons older cars need $1,500 plus AC overhauls the moment summer arrives. Secret number 5. Inspect your cooling fans. Behind your grill sits the condenser. Behind that, the radiator, and behind that, your cooling fans. If they aren't spinning, the condenser can't release heat and your entire AC system overheats. Start the car, crank AC to max, wait 5 minutes, pop the hood. Both fans should be spinning. If one is dead, you found your problem. Aftermarket replacements run under $100 online. A few bolts and an electrical connector is all it takes. Secret number 4. Check your refrigerant level. Refrigerant doesn't expire, but a perfectly sealed AC system is nearly impossible long-term. Small leaks develop, and your AC goes from ice-cold to barely cool. A recharge kit with R134A costs about $40 at any auto parts store. Locate the low-pressure port under the hood, attach the hose, follow the instructions. Shops charge hundreds for this same service. If the charge doesn't hold after a few weeks, you've got a leak that needs professional attention. Secret number 3. The evaporator temperature sensor. This sensor hides inside the dashboard and monitors the evaporator to prevent icing. When it fails, your AC either runs constantly or shuts off randomly with wild temperature swings. The sensor costs $20 to $50. Labor can run hundreds because some vehicles require partial dashboard removal. If your AC temperature fluctuates unpredictably, have a trusted mechanic test it with a scanner before committing to expensive disassembly. Secret number 2. Test your magnetic clutch relay. AC randomly stops working or the light is flashing? The magnetic clutch relay may be dead. It's in the fuse box under the hood and costs $10 to $20 to replace. Diagnostic trick. Swap it with another relay of the same amp rating, like the horn relay. If AC works with the swapped relay, the original was dead. Shops charge $100 plus just for the diagnostic to tell you the same thing. Secret number 1. The compressor clutch test. The test that separates a $50 fix from a $2,000 replacement. In 2 minutes. Pop the hood and locate the AC compressor. With the car off, try spinning the clutch by hand. It should rotate freely. If it's seized, the bearing is gone. If it spins, disconnect the electrical connector. Set a multimeter to ohms and touch the probes to the 2 contacts. A healthy clutch coil reads 2 to 5 ohms. Anything outside that range means the clutch is dead. Here's where this saves you serious money. If the clutch tests bad, you can replace just the clutch for $50 to $150 instead of the entire compressor at $800 to $1,200 plus labor. Shops prefer selling the whole unit because the margin is higher, but if you know the clutch is the only failure, you push back and save a fortune. I've personally used this test to avoid an unnecessary compressor quote. This single diagnostic has prevented more overpriced replacements than any other AC check in the industry. 15 secrets. Most take under 10 minutes. A few are completely free. Which one surprised you the most? And which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. The best AC tips always come from drivers who've dealt with this in their own garage. If this saved you from an overpriced repair, hit subscribe because the next video might save you even more.